Hi you guys. Well, first of all, I wanted to thank everyone that watched my Ikea Stair Hack video. It's almost about a week now that this video went kind of viral, at least to me. Anyway, I just wanted to thank you for viewing the video. And to all my new subscribers, welcome. If you haven't seen the video, just click above on the right hand corner there and it'll take you to the video. Now, if you like that video, I have a more detailed version of that same video. It's about 30 minutes long. It's a little more in depth. Well, I'm just about done with this stair project. I still have about 4 pieces of trim to put up in the landing area. Oh, by the way, if you're looking for some ideas how to transition into your landing area, click above here and you'll see what I did in my landing area. Like I said earlier, I have a couple of things left to do on the stairs, and one of them is this kick plate. I don't want to put a white piece of plywood there because in time people will kick it and mark it up. So what I've seen people do is put a sheet of copper there, or a piece of stainless steel, or a piece of tin. I've seen linoleum. I've seen ceramic tile and wood. There's a lot of ideas out there. You can Google and get tons of ideas. I don't want to do all the stairs. I just want to do the first step. So I came up with this idea. I think I'm going to like it. If later on I don't, I can go ahead and pull it off and do something else later. But I'm going to try this for now. I have this carving that's just right about the right length and height. I'm going to go ahead and cut it to size and stain it the same color as the tread. Okay, what I'm going to be using is this Minwax Poly Shade, I believe it's called. It's a stain and polyurethane mixture, which is kind of nice. All you have to do is just brush it on and it just dries and you have a lacquer finish. Well, it's a polyurethane finish. And it has a satin finish because that's what I picked. I believe you can get it in different sheens. Anyway, this one's called Espresso. So when you first brush this color on, it has a certain color, but the more coats you put on it, the darker it gets. So what I'm going to do is just put on one light coat. And then come back and put a second coat only on the carving itself. I want the carving to be enhanced, so staining the carvings only brings out the details. Okay, that's all you have to do. I'm going to let it dry overnight. Okay, while the carving's drying, I'm going to go ahead and paint this kick here white. Now again, there's a bunch of things I can do here. I already have the paint, so I'm just going to go ahead and go with the white. If I don't like it later, I can go ahead and pull the carving off and do something different back there. But for now, I'm just going to paint it white. The paint I'm going to be using is called Dutch Boy Cabinet Trim Ultra White. I'm only going to go ahead and paint the bottom half here because that's the only part you're going to see. You can also see I'm not using any newspaper or drop cloth, so I have to be really careful not to spill. If I do spill, it's water-based paint. It'll wipe right off with a wet rag. Once I've got it all painted, I'm going to go ahead and peel off the masking tape and I can go ahead and install my carving. I'm just going to go ahead and pin it in for now. Once the paint dried and I peel off the masking tape, you can see I have this dark line going through on the oak hardwood. I had to scrub it out with a rag and with some lacquer thinner. You can see the area here now where I worked on it and was able to remove it. This is what I used. Now that the paint is dry, I'm going to go ahead and pin this carving to the kick, just to get a feel for how it's going to look. Not too sure if I like the white on the bottom. I might do something a little different there. Well, that's where I'm at right now in this project. Like I said, I have a couple of pieces of molding to nail on, and some nail holes to fill. But I'm thinking this thing is starting to look really great. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye!